Welcome back to another chai tour.
Welcome back to another chai tour. This is our house.
This is not our house. This is Daniel Berkey's house, my best friend. Basically, we just pulled up to my friend Daniel Berkey's house, and we said, come on a chai tour with us, and we're forcing him.
It's a beautiful day here in Chicago. Nothing better than on a cold day than a warm chai.
A warm chai that's probably gonna be mediocre and average, like always. So our first stop is
called Torchami.
Torchama.
And it's delicious.
And it's run by this little Italian
We're gonna be the judge of that. She's a little old Italian woman named Sylvia Benton.
And she's a wonderful woman. We'll see if her chai is
nice.
good though.
Yeah. But she's also terminally ill, so make sure to go there and support, okay?
Amen.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, yeah. Well, and this is Daniel. He was going to take a shower.
And instead, we told him, let's go to a chai.
He hasn't taken a shower yet, so he smells pretty bad. And the vibes are being curated by the one and only Daniel C. Mathews. Chai tour! Chai tour! Chai, chai, chai. We just went to Hansa Coffee Roast.
If they had some games here, I feel like this would be like nice, classy, you know, like
a roulette table, that would be neat.
a little red, a chessboard.
The gambler.
So this is actually a self-portrait that Sylvia drew for her youngest daughter.
8 weeks?
Alex, you can do this.
God, no, 8 weeks?
Alex has never worked out that much.
You gotta learn to commit to things, right? This applies to your relationships, this applies to your work, your education. This is an intervention right here. This is why we brought you in. Hi, this is their chai. So they didn't really underfill us at all. It's a pretty effective fill. There's not really any sort of marbling or texture on top of the foam, which is always a little bit tricky. A lot of smells. I'm getting some cloves. I'm getting some cinnamon.
If you see Dan looking off screen, he's looking to our producer.
I think it's an Indian black tea.
More energy from you here.
Probably.
Now we're gonna have to recut. We gotta do this again.
From the top.
Okay. Do I need to come in with a little more excitement?
I think
You gotta slide in screen and be like, hand at the end.
Hi, my name's Dan Hoff, and this tea is from Hansa Coffee Roasters, and it's gonna be bussin' cheese.
The most mid intro I've ever seen.
One more time.
Hi, I'm Don, and this is Hansa Coffee Roasters. This is gonna be sick. It's an Indian tea blend with cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Holy smokes, I can't wait to get this in my mouth. Take the first sip. It tastes like there's a really good tea in there, but like that much of it's tea and the rest of it's milk.
They milked him out.
I just walked in there and I was thoroughly milked.
Rating 1 out of 10.
6.72. For Chicago, this is pretty decent, but could be a little better.
Daniel said everything. He probably talked too long, so I'm gonna keep this short and simple. Thank you. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, it is good. It is very milky, but the flavor is bustin'. It's straight average chai for me, but it's pretty good. So 5.62 is my rating.
Daniel's never had a chai before. What do you think?
Yeah, I taste that milk.
Yeah?
Very milked out on this.
There is milk. He's milked out.
Yeah, good flavors.
Okay, well, describe the flavors to me. Describe them.
What flavors are
Okay, chocolate milk from Overwise.
Oh my gosh.
What?
And then throw cinnamon in it.
This is the first time.
It's a deep analogy.
Fine.
Pour one out for Sylvia. Pour one out.
It's too much. We already poured one out.
5.42.
It's pretty good. 5.42.
All right, on to the next chai. Moving on.
Hey, yo!
Oh my gosh, it's a freaking blizzard out here.
We're at this place called Taylor.
Oh my gosh, it's freaking stinging in my eyes. Oh, let's do this thing.
The story behind the name is that they were trying to say Taylor, and they just didn't really know how to spell it. The guy was dyslexic.
Thank you guys, we appreciate it.
We're at Taylor. This is Taylor. Shut your mouth, bro. I'm just getting really stressed because I'm surrounded by kind of an art. You know what? I'm just gonna cleanse. First things that we can see, a little mix of nutmeg and cinnamon spritz across the top for a beautiful. The first problem that I have already, it was a box chai. I've had enough chais in my day to know that a box chai is not gonna be a good chai.
Don't think, go!
Somebody walks out with box wine, you know the ceiling is only gonna be so hot. I had high hopes for this place because Danny speaks very highly.
You just drink it.
Yeah, thank you. Finally, someone. The director's here.
Who makes this? We add revenue. I add revenue.
What's the ad? What are the ads?
You'll get Sonic 2 absolutely free. Sonic 2 handles stubborn stains, embarrassing bald spots, no problem. It even slices and dices, makes thousands of julienne fries. Sonic 2 fits easily into any tackle box. Made from a space-age polymer plastic for years of family fun, and pets love it too. Buy the Sega Genesis that comes with Sonic 1 and get Sonic 2 free. Act now. Wiener Dog Sweater, sold separately.
There's a good chunk of cinnamon in there. It smells kind of clinical, a little bit sterile, like I might be in a hospital.
Oh my god.
Foam's a little cold. See, now that does have a good bite.
Talking the entire time.
But there's a good strong bite to it. Not quite as much milk. You can tell it's a box chai. Sweet notes right on the tip of your tongue. Sweet notes. But right on the tip. My palate is my tongue.
Hey besties. This is called a cortado. It is the best drink you can buy because it's small. Your fingers out of here. He takes too long to talk about the chai. The chai here.
This?
We've been here for 10 minutes. You took one sip. Can you hurry up?
Take another sip.
Second sip's really gonna blow my teeth out.
Yeah, I will.
Strong ginger in there, which was lacking in the last one, which I do appreciate some ginger in it. You know how you feel about titty. It's good.
The manager's asking how it is.
I love this on the top. The cinnamon nutmeg on top. So we just went to a different chai. There was like no spice to it, whereas I love that this has a lot of different spices. There's a lot of flavors to
He's
it.
upset that it comes out of a box instead of you guys making it from scratch.
Is that actually true? Or is Danny just
No, he's actually upset about that.
Give it in front of the manager.
in front of the manager? There's a correct answer. There's only one correct answer.
9.8.
Yeah. Oh, give me your real number. I know that's more.
The foam is very thin. It's also very airy. That's the word I want to use.
Airy.
It does have a good bite to it. So it's not. So it's
Tang. Strong. Tang.
spicy, but not.
Yes. Yes.
What? Excuse me?
Try again.
As a mouth expert, I'm gonna have to veto that.
I like the flavors better than Hansa. So I give it 6.88.
That's his turn.
Just
What do you think?
Don't say anything else. I already took 2.
Two. No, he just has whole numbers. He's the only one to.
You're an absolute legend.
That's a high rating for Alex.
How can you think without talking for 10 minutes?
I do it my brain.
You made a verdict so fast.
This is pretty gas fly. I'll say it. On God, it's pretty swag. Yeah, you like that word, didn't you? This kind of reminds me of the time when I used to go as a child with my mother to the bookstore and drink chai with her before she, cancer took her.
Such a surprise.
I'm crying. I'm just so emotional from you talking about my mother.
All right, this is your line.
Teleprompter. Hold on, change the angle. Let's glare.
Please get your line correct.
Bro, look at this rig we've got right here. And I used to go to the bookstore with my mother before she. This is not funny. This is my mother. Before. It is funny. You can't say that with those. It is my mother. Before the cancer took her. It's been. Okay, restart. You can't laugh at my. Yeah, turn around. From the top. This is a very serious, sincere moment. Reminding myself of my childhood before the cancer took my sweet, sweet mother. Don't laugh. He's laughing.
Excuse me, you can't laugh at this. You're not allowed.
Okay, this is a 2.6. All right,
guys,
trash. On to the next one.
Madras Cafe here in, where is this?
Cafe with a K.
Yeah, I got it. Madras Cafe.
Vernon Hills.
In Vernus
Vernus Dills.
Vermin Hills.
In Vernon Dillies.
With
The cool thing about this place, this is the first time we've been to a chai that's authentic Indian. That's actually like an Indian restaurant or Indian place. So it'll be interesting to see if it's different or better than what we've been having so far.
It's not actually called chai tea here. It's called masala tea because chai means tea in Hindi.
hentai, and hentai.
No.
Oh gosh.
That's
Sorry.
It is hentai.
at the party.
In the angel. This is in honor of Leo, the passing of this beautiful bug.
1 year anniversary actually. Last year my dog died.
I see a pattern.
They don't actually die. They just get really old and sick, and eventually, they become unicorns.
Don't take this moment away from Chase.
My mom made this for me in honor of Leo.
And you were pissing all over it.
Sorry, Leo was a crackhead. He died, and he deserves what he got. Okay. Just trust me. The world is better because that dog is dead.
How could you say that to his
dear
face?
God.
His cute face. Look him in the eyes.
Oh, that's the most hideous thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my gosh. He's beautiful.
We've just received masala chai drip. Now, interesting little thing here. Maybe the first time we have been given power.
All right, so how much sugar is Dan putting in? A lot.
A little bit of cinnamon.
I think you're just making up words at this point.
Cinnamon is a made-up word.
Yeah, you're making up words.
How about you let the person in front of the camera talk and you shut up and hold the camera? How's that sound? This tastes more like tea. It tastes less like a latte where you're getting basically a bunch of syrups and caramels and stuff. An 8.39.
An 8.39?
I have a hypothesis that Dan's rating system is purely based by how much sugar is in something, and that it is higher than what sugar is in it.
Well, let me see if that changed my rating at all. 8.72, brother.
So the trick with this is when you suck it, you have to go like so you aerate the tea, so you taste all the flavors. Even better way to do it is to use a spoon. Just get a little bit on there, and you just really quickly. That's how you do coffee tasting. I give it like a 8.49.
Oh my gosh, you're ready to hire me better than me?
This is chai,
Yeah, we know.
and we're at an Indian restaurant.
Yep.
This has all been set.
We've said that we locked this down, right?
I kind of enjoy the less milky latte feel of it. I'm more of a purist. This is a 9.21, not much.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a basic white boy, and I like my chais being basic white boy flavor. Aka like Starbucks.
Nice.
I've dumped buttloads of sugar to mine. If I got it straight from the restaurant, I'm rating this a 2.1. I'm sorry.
Can I say something? You
say it.
you can't understand the complex flavors. He has a weak palate.
He's super soft. He's soft. He's soft.
We're here doing our outro. This has been our chai tour here in North Shore of Chicago. Thanks for joining our chai tour. There's some great chai in this tour. And we're so glad that you decided to do this.